Hello, my name is Angel Gerardo. Welcome to your channel, Angel Gerardo Tech. In this new video, I will show you how to download the VICIDIAL ISO. Sometimes it's a little difficult to find the ISO of VICIDIAL. Let's go to Google. Here, I will write downloads VICIDIAL ISOs. But here I have some results, but no one of them go directly to download the VICIDIAL. That is why I will show you the correct address where you can download the VICIDIAL. Here we have it. It's download.vicidial.com slash ISO slash VICIBOX server. Don't worry, I will let you the address in the description box. Here you can choose any one of the version you want. Here we have version 10, that is the last one. If you want another old version, you can go to this folder. Okay, go to wait a second because my internet is not so fast right now. And here you have all the old version that you need. You just need to click on one of them and the version will start to download. This is all for this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel and give me a like. Thank you very much. Bye bye.